I promise that by the end of this video you'll always say no when mechanics ask this question. Listen to this and you'll get an excellent tip that will save you thousands that you can spend on yourself and your loved ones, instead of lining the pockets of greedy mechanics. Most people in the world occasionally get their cars tuned up, a tire rotation here and oil change there, so they can keep their cars in tip-top shape. But there is something you might be spending money on that is hurting your financial future. This one thing is purposely hidden from you because it is so lucrative for everyone else. But today you'll learn the secret to secure your dreams. Good day everyone, today we are talking about saving money on your cabin and engine air filters. Most people tend to go to a local mechanic shop or even the shop at their dealership when getting something broken fixed or a scheduled tune-up on their vehicle. Some even wait while getting their scheduled maintenance done instead of going home or shopping. While people wait, they usually watch a show on Netflix, scroll through YouTube, maybe even knock out two birds with one stone by getting some work done on their laptops. Sometime later, a representative usually approaches with a list of required maintenance suggestions. But there is one item that you should never get done by the dealership. That one item is the cabin and engine air filter. Here's the trick question. Would you like the cabin and engine air filter replaced? Your answer should always be no, and here's why. Cabin and engine air filters on average cost $20 each. So $40 per car. The average amount of money to replace the cabin air filter in your car is roughly $50, and about $70 for the engine air filter. This effectively added $80 on top of the $40 that the filters already cost. That's 3 times the price just to replace the two items. So what are some ways that we all can keep this money in our pockets, instead of giving it to a stranger? YouTube is a great solution for fixing this issue. With a simple search, you can find thousands of videos for any vehicle. Just type in your car's year, make, and model into the search bar, and you'll find the best and most helpful individuals to help walk you through this easy replacement. The second way is to ask a family member or a friend for help. One of the biggest targets for scams are the elderly, with their lack of knowledge and reluctant nature to do their own repairs. Also mistrust of youth. They become a prime target because they will not have your protection. So make sure to always watch out for them. But if they are still mistrusting, just bring them to the AutoZone where the representatives are more willing to help teach and replace the filters at no extra charge. Lastly, if you are able to take out the filters, make sure to check if they even need to be replaced in the first place. If you live in a dusty climate, they may need to be replaced more often. But most of the time the filters will have large debris like sticks and leaves, which can simply be knocked off, which can save you a lot of money. Don't forget to read your manual for any specific details such as dates and filter sizes. Now you can confidently say no to mechanics that try to rip you off. Tell us other ways to save money with repairs in the comments below. Like or subscribe to our channel and share this video with everyone you know. See you soon.